Presenting a pre-owned 2018 Chevrolet Suburban LT. 2018 Chevrolet Suburban LT, power, luxury, and space in one bold package. This four-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter V8 engine with four-wheel drive and a transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 101,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city and 22 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Unleash the power of the 2018 Chevrolet Suburban LT, an asphalt-dominating beast with a 5.3L V8 Ecotec 3 engine pushing 355 horsepower and 383 lb-ft of torque. This full-size SUV blends muscle with luxury, offering leather seating, tri-zone automatic climate control, and a rear seat entertainment system to keep passengers relaxed and entertained. Safety comes standard with lane departure warning, forward collision alert, and a rear vision camera. Whether you're hauling gear or family, its cavernous cargo space is ready for the challenge. With a squeaky clean Carfax, this Suburban is more than a vehicle, it's your new lifestyle. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, roof rails, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.